Good morning, everybody. My name is Basavaraju HM, HOD, Department of History, Maharanis Arts College for Women, Mysore, University of Mysore. Today, I will be speaking about the influence of American Revolution of 1776. The American Revolution of 1776 was an indirect cause for the outbreak of the French Revolution of 1789. The American War of Independence of 1776 inspired the French revolutionaries. A number of young French persons, revolutionaries, under the leadership of Lafayette, crossed Atlantic Ocean for the first time and helped the people of American colonists in the American War of Independence of 1776 against Britishers. There was a reason for that. In the year 1763, the 7 Years' War broke out between France and England. But unfortunately, France was defeated by England in the 7 Years' War in the year 1763. French people were waiting for an opportunity to take revenge against Britishers. This opportunity came to them when American Revolution broke out in the year 1776 under the leadership of George Washington, the first president of United States of America. Moreover, in the bold fight of the American War of Independence of 1776, the French had a part. The victory of the Americans became an inspiration for the French revolutionaries, especially a number of French persons. The stirring speech of George Washington and Jefferson's Declaration of Freedom made immense impact on the minds of the youngsters and revolutionaries of France. According to Lord Acton, Lafayette learned resistance is the most sacred of duties. The French persons who had fought in the American War of 1776 on the side of the colonists returned home with a new spirit, with a new enthusiasm, with new ideas of liberty and democracy. The French youngsters and revolutionaries of France who participated in the American Revolution of 1776 preached democratic ideas in their motherland, France. France was immediately affected and influenced by American Revolution of 1776. The French youngster and French revolutionaries who participated in the American War of Independence started agitation against privileged class and Bourbon monarchy and Roman Catholic Church in their country. In the words of H. Moore Stephen, if the American Revolution of 1776 ended in failure, there would not have been French Revolution in France in the year 1789. According to George Washington, the first president of the United States of America, the American Revolution of 1776 became an eye-opener to all the nations of the world. In the words of Webster, the American War of Independence of 1776 became an eye-opener to all the nations of Europe and in particularly gave leaders to the French Revolution. So totally, the American Revolution paved the way for the economic bankruptcy of France. But the youngsters and revolutionaries of France gained nationalism and patriotism and heroism. So this is the influence of American Revolution on French Revolution. Next, let's discuss about immediate cause for the outbreak of the French Revolution of 1789. In the year 1788 and 1789, the financial and economic condition of France was very, very critical and lamentable. As a result, France had to face economic depression, especially Bourbon government of France had to face economic depression. Louis XVI tried to increase taxes in order to tackle economic problem and financial problem of France. As a result, on May 5th, 1789, Louis XVI, who belonged to the Bourbon dynasty of France, convened the meeting of Estates General at Versailles after the long gaps of 175 years. This is known as Estates General. This Estates General or this assembly consisted of 300 representatives of nobles, 250 representatives of clergy, 600 representatives of common people. The nobles and clergy refused to give new tax, but the common people argued that every person is equal in the eye of law. So this created a quarrel among the nobles, clergy, and the common people. As a result, the constitutional crisis was created in the year 1789. This constitutional crisis and economic problem and financial problems became immediate reason for the outbreak of the French Revolution of 1789. The French Revolution of 1789 broke out during the period of Louis XVI. According to Aveling, Louis XIV and Louis XV showed the seeds of revolution for storm or wind, but Louis XVI gained revolutionary harvest. So this is the statement as given by Aveling. Is really wonderful one and beautiful one. In the next time, let us discuss about course of the French Revolution. Thank you.